What if I told you there is a country where a stranger would drive you across town just to help you buy sweet potatoes and expect absolutely nothing in return? A place where people wake up before sunrise to give food to monks, where kindness is still part of everyday life, and where many foreigners say they feel more human here than anywhere else in the world. This is not a movie. This is Thailand. Take a look at this. These are the types of videos that many foreign tourists enjoy when visiting Thailand. In this clip, you can see a cultural activity taking place in Chiang Mai province. It's a workshop organized by a local resort where foreign tourists can learn traditional Thai farming methods. The location is near Doi and Thanon in Chiang Mai. Many foreign visitors, especially Americans and Europeans, absolutely love this experience because they get to learn authentic traditional agriculture, meet indigenous Karen Hill tribe communities, and truly experience real Thai culture firsthand. This is the kind of experience you can have if you are a foreign visitor to Thailand. Now let me show you another video clip. This one is about a foreign tourist staying in Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand. She witnessed this atmosphere early in the morning. This is part of everyday Thai life. Every morning, many Thai people wake up early to make merit by offering food to Buddhist monks during their daily alms walk. The monks then give blessings in return. The bottle of water you see in their hands is part of a ritual called pouring water dedication, which symbolizes sharing merit with others. Thai people believe that making merit brings prosperity and good fortune into life. Many foreigners who come to Thailand have never seen anything like this before, and this is not staged. This is real life in Thailand. You can witness the discipline, kindness, and respect that Thai people show. Many people kneel and bow respectfully to the monks. It reflects a culture deeply connected to faith and spirituality, which remains an important part of Thai daily life. Now let me tell you another true story. This foreign woman came to Thailand and wanted to buy ingredients to cook her own meal. She visited a small local shop. The shop owner was a mother staying there with her child. The foreign woman was looking for something very specific, sweet potatoes. But the store didn't have any. The shop owner told her that she could find them at Macro, but it was quite far away and required a motorcycle to get there. The foreign tourist didn't have transportation because she was traveling alone in Thailand. So what happened next? The shop owner personally drove her motorcycle and took the foreign tourist all the way to Macro to buy the sweet potatoes, and then drove her back home. Afterward, the foreign woman later made a video saying she wanted to thank the Thai people. She explained that Thai people were unlike any foreigners she had ever met before. She even compared the experience to her home country, Sweden, saying people there were not usually like this. Many foreigners commented under her video saying that helping others is very common in Thai culture. If someone needs help, Thai people often step in immediately. Some comments also mentioned that people living in rural Thailand are especially warm, generous, and compassionate. The foreign creator replied to those comments, saying, "Thai people are truly amazing. I've never experienced anything like this before." She said Thailand made her feel genuine human kindness and connection in a way she rarely experienced elsewhere. Many foreigners still hesitate to visit Thailand, while others are considering retiring and living here in the future. Some people wonder whether videos like these are real or simply created for content. As a Thai person, I can honestly tell you that all three stories I shared today are based on real situations that truly happened in Thailand. If you are a tourist who wants to experience Thai culture, you can absolutely encounter experiences like these very easily. However, life can feel quite different between Bangkok and the countryside. If you choose Bangkok, you'll experience a fast-paced modern capital city filled with convenience and opportunities. But even there, you'll still meet many Thai people who are friendly, kind-hearted, and willing to help others whenever they can. And it's not only toward foreigners. Thai people also help one another with generosity and compassion in everyday life. But if you travel to rural Thailand or plan to retire there, you'll discover an even more relaxed lifestyle compared to Bangkok. Especially in smaller provinces, people live much more slowly and peacefully. What many foreigners would call a slow life in the countryside is closely connected to nature. People value sharing, kindness, and community. Since most Thai people are Buddhist, temples play an important role in daily life. Respect, compassion, and generosity are deeply rooted cultural values. And that is one of the reasons why Thailand feels like such a comfortable and welcoming place to live. If you are searching for relaxation, peace, and a slower lifestyle, I highly recommend visiting rural Thailand or secondary cities rather than only the major tourist destinations. In the bigger tourist cities, everything can feel crowded and commercialized, and you may not fully experience authentic rural Thai life. Especially during the low season like now, it becomes much easier to experience Thailand's peaceful atmosphere, local culture, and slow lifestyle, except, of course, in central Bangkok, where many people are focused on work and the daily hustle. If you are a foreigner interested in traveling to Thailand, or if you are planning to retire here someday and you have questions after watching videos like these, feel free to leave a comment below. I would be happy to answer your questions. And don't forget to like and share this video to support the channel. I'll continue creating content to help foreigners better understand real Thai culture and authentic life in Thailand. That's all for today. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye bye.